Hello everyone, I'm Soumya Raghavan. Welcome back. In the last session, I had taught you how to write a resume, and today I have written another example on the board. This is a question. This is how you people get the question in the exam. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement, which appeared in the Hindu dated 8th June 2020. So, the name and address is already given to you. It's mandatory that you have to write your name as XXX and your address as YYY. It will be given in the question. And here you are applying for the post of lecturer in English, and the advertisement is given by Modern PU College, Udupi. So they want lecturer in English. The qualification they needed is MA in English and as well as B.Ed, fluency in local language, good knowledge in computer, and you have to apply within 15 days to the secretary, Modern PU College, Udupi 06. So this is the question given, and you have to apply the job for the lecturer in English. So here you have to write a cover letter as well as a resume. Here I have written a cover letter to you. So I had already taught you, but still once again I have written it. And as I told you in the last session, you have to write your name and address in the first. XXX is your name and YYY is your address. Leave a line space and write the date. For date, you have to write month in words, not in numbers. I have written June, not as 6. And next is the to address, which is already given in the question. The Secretary, Modern PU College, Udupi 01. Next comes the salutation. Respected sir or madam, you have to use comma there. And the subject, please observe again the subject is same, application for the post of. It remains the same in all the letters, only the designation change. So lecturer in English, application for the post of lecturer in English. And next comes the reference address. Again it remains the same in all the letters. Your advertisement which appeared in, only the changes is the name of the newspaper and date. Here I have written The Hindu dated 8th June 2020. Next comes the body of the letter. You know how to write the body of the letter. You have to start from the margin, not from the middle of the line. Second paragraph, you have to leave a line space and then start from the margin. Next is thank you, full stop. Yours faithfully, you should not use apostrophe s. Yours faithfully, comma, and your signature and your name in block letters. And finally, what you are enclosing with this cover letter, you are enclosing resume with this cover letter. So this is a cover letter, and I have given what is that body of the letter, attach the body of the letter here. So copy that body of the letter and write it in your notes. So here here comes the body of the letter. It reads, with reference to the above subject, I wish to apply for the post of lecturer in English in your institution. It's not a company. Your institution. I have your required qualification. I request you to provide me an opportunity to serve in your institution. I hereby enclose my resume along with this letter. Keep as simple as it. I told you again, the body of the letter doesn't change. Only the designation and whether it is an institution or a company, it changes, but it doesn't change. In yavdu change agadilla. So I suggest you to memorize this and write the same. If you are very good in writing the body of the letter, it's good that you can write it, or else you memorize the same, but only the designation and whether it's an institution or whether it's a company, it changes. That's it. So I suggest you to write this, copy this in your notes, and write the same every time when you write the body of the letter. Please write it down. after the body of the letter, next part of the letter is resume. I told you you have to start the letter from the fresh page, and the resume, while writing resume, you have to write a heading as resume. And look here, as I had written on the as I had given that example in the last session, the same thing I have written here. I told you nothing changes, and I hope you remember the formula 5 plus 5 plus 5, isn't it? I hope you remember it. So here the 5 thing that you have to write is your personal information in the beginning, that is name XXX, father's name XYZ, date of birth, anything you can write, address YYY, nationality Indian. So this is your personal 5 personal information: name, father's name, date of birth, address and nationality. After writing it, just next is 5 subheadings that you have to write, that is knowledge of languages, educational qualification, additional qualification, experience, other hobbies or interests. 5 subheadings you have to write. So knowledge of languages, I told you it remains the same. Local language ಯಾವುದು ಉಡುಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡನೇ. So you are applying for the post of lecturer in English, obviously you have to know English. And Hindi is common. Kannada, Hindi and English is common. Next comes the educational qualification, and look at the table. Another 5 is the table alli 5 sections ಇದೆ. Name of the examination, board or university, year of passing, percentage, subjects. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 5 ಆಯಿತು. So SSLC, PUC, you can also write BA or you can just write MA. BA ಆದಮೇಲೆ MA ಆಗೋದು, but you can write it as directly I have written here, that's it. SSLC, Karnataka board, you have passed in 2004 and 92%, and subjects are Kannada, English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social. PUC nalli again you have studied in Karnataka board and you passed in 2006, 90%. You had taken commerce, EBACS, Kannada, English. And finally, masters in English literature, MA, Bangalore University. You have passed it in 2011. You got 88.8%. So subjects, there are so many subjects here, so I have just written English literature. And now coming to the additional qualification, they have given computer knowledge ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ I told you that remains the same in all resume. C++, Java and Tally in SSI. And coming to the experience, you have 3 years of experience in Dharma College. And other hobbies or interests, it's left to you. You can write any of your hobbies or interests that you people have. So playing cricket and singing I have written here. So these are the things that you have to include in resume. So 5 personal information: name, father's name, date of birth, address, nationality. 5 subheadings: knowledge of languages, educational qualification, additional qualification, experience, other hobbies and interests, and 5 parts in that educational qualification table ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 sections ನ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Name of the examination, board or university, year of passing, percentage and subjects. So these are the things that you have to include. I hope you have understood this 5 plus 5 plus 5. Again, I don't have place here to write that place and date. Next, below that other hobbies and interests, you have to write it. But I have written at the right side, you have to write place, mention place and date anta mention ಮಾಡಿ. Place ನಿಮ್ಮದು YYY ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And right side corner ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to write your signature. Just opposite to that place and date, you have to sign as XXX. Opposite ಆ ಪೇಜ್ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮೆ, ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮೆ, ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟು ಯು ವೆರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಈಗ 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ here it is a question. Write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which appeared in The Times of India dated 1st June 2020. So Ashoka Grand Group of Hotel requires ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಶೋಕ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್. And qualifications are required: diploma in hotel management with minimum 4 years experience, fluency in English and local language essential. So which is the local language in Delhi? Obviously Hindi. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೈಟ್ ಎಟ್, ಅದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಹಿಂದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನು. So fluency in English and local language essential. You have to apply to the personnel officer, Ashoka Grand Hotel, 75 Ramakrishna Marg, New Delhi 40096. This is a 2 address you have to apply for. Now you write this in the grammar notes and write the answer for this, both cover letter and resume bardu. You send it to me. Thank you so much.